Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, I am going to tell you how much does it cost to fix a phone screen. So let's start without wasting any time. First method, Samsung Galaxy cell phones. Now, to fix a Samsung Galaxy mobile screen, it costs $100 in USA. Second method, Redmi cell phones. Now, to fix a Redmi mobile screen, it costs something around $30 in USA. Third method, OnePlus cell phones. Now, to fix a OnePlus mobile screen, it costs something around $50 to $100 in USA. Fourth method, Oppo cell phones. Now, to fix a Oppo mobile screen, it costs something around $20 to $50 in USA. Fifth method, iPhone 6. Now, to fix a iPhone 6 mobile screen, it costs something around $130 in USA. Sixth method, iPhone 8. Now, to fix a iPhone 8 mobile screen, it costs something around $170 in USA. Seventh method, iPhone 10. Now, to fix a iPhone 10 mobile screen, it costs something around $280 in USA. I hope this video was useful. Now, for more such kind of videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Gossipfunda. And also, do not forget to like, share and comment in the video. Thank you for watching Gossipfunda. Now, for more such kind of amazing videos, visit our official website gossipfunda.com and even APK is available on Google Play Store. So you can download it from Google Play Store or you can download it from gossipfunda.com. Thank you for watching this video.